In this video, we will learn how to use gzip and gunzip program to compress and uncompress files. The gzip program is used to compress one or more files. We will also use gunzip program, which is used to uncompress files. First, we will create a text file named f1.txt by using the touch command. On our Ubuntu Linux, we need to open a terminal first. You can search here for terminal. Touch to create empty file f1.txt. Then I will write a line of text with echo gzip example and a redirect to our file f1.txt. Now I will run gzip, which replaces the original file with the compressed version gzip, then our file name f1.txt, and now I will list the content of our directory. We can see it created a gzip file over here. In this directory listing, the original file has been replaced with the compressed version. Now we will run the gunzip program to uncompress the file to its original format. We need to use gunzip and our file name f1.txt.gz and hit enter, and then list the content of our directory by using ls -l and f1 dot star, so it will show this file f1. You can see it converted into uncompressed version, so we can use gzip to compress file, gunzip to uncompress the file. To keep on learning more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep supporting us. Thank you for watching.